Yes.
Modesty aside, we were the ones who started the St. Andrew's Alumni Association. 1999. Out of the blue, we established the Alumni Association. Although there were some problems encountered, pero I'm very glad buo yung ating Alumni Association. Because from time immemorial, I haven't heard of any alumni gathering before 1990, in the 60s. So, maraming salamat po. Madam Chito, sama ko parati sa end of the escort ako.
Hello po yung mga classmates
ko. You were the ones responsible for locating almost all the ACRA, especially Cavite. It took us 1 year to do the database. I hope we'll be recognized. Again, Father Con, oy, bigay kayo patawad, ha?
Good luck po, Father.
Okay.